Hello everyone, hope you are doing good. In this video, I will discuss about how to install, how to download and install, how to download and install STS. STS stands for Spring Tool Suite. Spring Tool Suite. It is a jar file. We need to download the jar file. Let's go to the Google, type STS download, enter. Here, Spring Tools release. Go back. STS download. Go to this one. Post link, go to post link. Scroll down. See here. These are the multiple OSs are there. So mine is Windows. Click here. It will be jar file. Jar file is downloading. Once this jar file is downloading, you can extract it. Then STS installation is completed. Meanwhile, I will pause the video. Once this downloading completed, I will show how to extract the jar file. Meanwhile, create one folder. So it is not recommended to install any software in C drive. So I am installing in D drive software. So I'm creating one folder called STS. Right click, new, STS. Once downloading is completed, I will paste here and I will extract. So it will 4 minutes, 3 minutes left. After installation done, it will ask like keep or not delete. So because of jar file we are downloaded, so it is asking permission to keep or delete. So keep. Then go to the folder. It will be there in downloads folder. Here this downloads. It will be there. The jar file. Cut this one. Here cut. Go to D drive software. Here and here we are created folder. Control V. Here if it is the exe file, you can double click. If it is the jar file, you can right click. So more options, properties. You can copy the path. Control C. Open CMD. CD space. Paste. You can CD space. Post you can default. Default. Java C. Hyphen jar. Tab. You can enter. So it is wrong. Java hyphen jar. You can enter. Here one dialog box will appear. In that box, it will count down. Here, yeah, this is the countdown 0 to 100. Once this is the 100 is completed, so STS installation successfully completed. Let's wait until completing the 100%. These are the extracting the jar file. 89, 93. Yeah, successfully extracted CLS screen. Close this one. Close CMD. Go to the folder. STS folder. Yeah, this is the STS. See here, application is there, right? Extension. This is the Spring Tool Suite. You can right click. You can send it to the desktop. So more. Send it to desktop. We are sending to our desktop because every time we are going to this D drive and opening it is not recommended. Instead of that, you can just send it to desktop. You can open there. See here, we have one workspace is there. This is I am using for the Eclipse. So I am creating another workspace. New folder. New folder. This is for the STS underscore workspace. So better understanding. So I am using STS post underscore workspace. Close this one. Close. Yes, STS. string tool shoot for it is called as STS. So change to workspace, go to C drive. Here STS workspace, select launch, launch here. Wait until it will open. Yeah, it will open. Double click. Here Windows, preferences, Java. Here installer JRE. You can change to, you can remove existing one. You can add. We are already installed Java 21 version. So D drive, software, Java 21. You can select up to JDK folder. Select finish. Apply. Apply close. So you can also verify which Java version is configured in this system. Open CMD, Java, say hyphen version, enter. Here 21 version is installed. You can close, create one Spring Boot project, new Spring Starter project. Here I'm not changing anything, just I'm changing to Groovy to Maven. Next, I'm not adding any dependency. Next, finish. So it is downloading the project. Once, yeah, this is downloading done. Here boot means this is Spring Boot project. Expand this. One starter class is there. You can run and verify it is working or not. Right click, run your Spring Boot app. Hello. Yeah, it is started. Here Java version 17 is there. You can change, go to form.xml. You can update to 21. Control as right click on project, me event, force update, me update project, force update of snapshot and snapshot / releases. Then it will change to 21 version. Here, right click, run as Spring Boot app. Started. Here, our program is executing fine, but we got some error in form.xml. But we are successfully do our operations like clean, build, install, run, everything. We got the outputs also here. I'm using this standard output println. We got the output as well, but we got some look like error kind of. So I will now auto resolve this. Windows preferences, Windows preferences. When open here, see here, can select this one, download artifact, Java docs and download repository index, updates and startup. Apply close. See, these are the gone. This way too we can overcome this error. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe to this YouTube channel.